Are you want to start making money online but not sure where to begin? Whether you are looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, I have got you covered. In this video, I am breaking down simple real ways you can start earning. No fancy skills, no fluff. Let's get into it. Know when it's time to make money. First golden time is 5 am to 9 am. Meditate, stretch, journal, exercise. Second golden time is 9 am to 5 pm. Earn money, prospect, clients, referrals, seminars, marketing. Third golden time is 5 pm to 10 pm. Side hustle, learning, networking, planning. Fourth golden time is 10 pm to 5 am. Sleep like a baby, knowing that you are giving it all. And that's it. Those are some of the best ways to start earning today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips just like this. Got questions or want me to cover something specific next time? Drop a comment below. I am always reading.